Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Babbel subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your membership ends properly. Step 1. Determine how you subscribe to Babbel, as the cancellation process varies depending on whether you subscribe through the Babbel website, iOS App Store, or Google Play Store. Step 2. If you subscribe through the Babbel website, log into your account at babbel.com using your email and password. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Account or Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Navigate to the subscription or payment section, where you'll find details about your current plan and billing information. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Subscription or End Membership button. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Babbel may ask why you're cancelling and offer alternatives like pausing your subscription. If you still want to cancel, proceed by clicking Continue or Confirm Cancellation. Step 7. For iOS subscriptions, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name, select Subscriptions, find Babbel, and tap Cancel Subscription. Step 8. For Android subscriptions, open Google Play Store, tap the menu icon, select Subscriptions, find Babbel, and tap Cancel Subscription. Step 9. After cancelling, you'll retain access to Babbel's premium features until the end of your current billing period. No refunds are typically provided for the remaining time. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message from Babbel, verifying that your subscription has been cancelled. Log back into your account to verify your subscription status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.